visit. So last night was our very first night at an RV park. This is a very simple RV park. It's nothing, I mean, it's really close to the freeway over here on the 10 freeway in New Mexico, in Las Cruces. But it's really cool. So basically, you have all these little stations. And you just come here, park, plug in, and you're good to go. And then they left this right here on our windshield. Please fill out, bring to the office. So right now we're walking to the office to turn it in. It's funny how I'm not much of a walker, but right now I was definitely craving going for a walk after sitting down all day yesterday. So, right? How do you like the trip so far? Yeah? You seem excited. We both took a shower in the RV. That was interesting. Very different. You have to like put on the water. It comes out super hot very fast. So you got to be careful. Once you get the temperature right, you turn it off. Yeah.
Well, you had it on was so cold. I had to turn it up.
Yeah?
Yeah. You like your showers cold.
I like showers cold.
I like when I'm super warm.
Yeah.
Like a volcano.
Hi, good morning. How are you? Alright, so that was pretty easy. Didn't even realize that we had parked so close. So my walk that I wanted to take is not that long. If we like this and we fall in love with the lifestyle, we're gonna be upgrading to like some massive beast. Okay, now we gotta unplug the electricity, which is here, and then the water, which is here. Shut it down. It's here. And then turn off fuses. Plug. This is so freaking hard to disconnect. There you go. That's the right form. That's how you can actually get good grip. Retract all jacks. A slight challenge of RVing is finding parking. Usually you take up multiple spots. We're taking up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. So our overall experience with our second day driving the RV was magnificent. Nothing went wrong. Everything was perfect. Well, I take it back. There was a few things that came loose in the RV and fell off, like one of the shades and stuff like that. That's one of those craftsmanship type of deals. When they build them, maybe they screwed up, put too few screws or something. I don't know. But the guy at the store was telling me that sometimes happens. No worries, it's covered under the warranty. They're gonna send out a technician to kind of adjust everything and make sure that everything's perfect for our main trip. And overall, like I said, very good. We stopped to get gas a few times, and my battery ended up dying on the camera, and plus I was focused on driving and kind of enjoying the trip, so I ended up not recording as much as I wanted to. We did get our coffees, and they were absolutely delicious. That place, Something Pico, highly recommended. It's in Las Cruces, New Mexico. It's right off the train tracks, and it looks like a little hole in the wall. My God, that coffee was mind-blowingly good. So overall, like I said, great experience. We're going to be packaging everything up. Right now we're going to load up the RV, get it ready for a trip. We're going to be taking off in the next 7 to 10 days, and I am super excited to take you guys along for the ride. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video.